Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart with ticker symbol ONCI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that's where the green line here comes into play. And actually a good segue, because that line is very important now to the current status of the chart. And it's all based on a foundational rule in the world of charts, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And this is really just an example you could throw right into a textbook if you wanted to. I mean, you look right here, and like I said, it was a support, but then the price this morning broke down below it. And as that second part of the rule states, when the level of support is broken, it tends to act as resistance. And you can see many times this afternoon the price tried to get back up above 0.0165, but just couldn't quite do it. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying it's impossible to break through this level. I'm just saying it makes sense why after the price fell below it, the bulls could just no longer get the price, back up there and sustain up above it. So certainly short term, going into tomorrow and the remainder of the week, short term public enemy number one is 0.0165. If the price can push through there, the next key overall level of resistance up at 0.0175, but one step at a time. First got to break up above this initial hurdle right there. As far as levels of support are concerned, still have this overall one right here that I've talked about in the past at 0.014, but more so in a shorter term fashion. You can see right there at 0.0155. The bears tried many different occasions today. I'm not going to count because it was quite a few, but multiple times there. And then once again this afternoon to push down through that level. And so to give credit where credit's due, 0.0155 is indeed holding very strong as support. But again, in the event this level does not hold, next key overall area of support down there at 0.014. So not the best day today, but that's just one day. When you look at multiple days, the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. And when you have those higher bases being built from the big picture perspective, that's how those long-term uptrends are constructed. So we'll see what happens. The week is young, still 4 days left. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.